Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Sandisk has enough free space and is compatible with your computer. Insert the flash drive into a USB port and wait for the system to recognize it. This ensures safe transfer and avoids write errors. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac so you have the target folder visible. Once done, keep the source folder with your pictures open in another window to speed up selection and transfer. You now pick the photos you want. Use Shift to select ranges and Control or Command for individual pics, which prevents accidental omissions. Drag and drop is quick for few files, while copy and paste is safer for large transfers because you retain originals until verification. This minimizes data loss risk. If there are thousands of photos, consider copying in batches to avoid buffer overload, and to let you confirm each chunk transferred successfully before continuing. Finish by opening several transferred pictures directly from the Sandisk to confirm they work and check that file sizes and counts match the originals. This step proves a successful copy. Then safely eject the drive using the System Eject option to avoid corruption. Sudden removal can damage files. If you see transfer errors, reinsert the drive and retry, run a disk check utility, or try another USB port or cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.